Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you and yours had a happy Easter today. Today's video, we're going to be going over how to access File Explorer. What is File Explorer and what can you do in File Explorer. So before I begin, like, comment, subscribe as it helps out the channel. And also I just wanted to tell you guys, if you have any questions on this subject or any other subject that you can think of, please comment down below. I want to reach out to you guys. I want to record videos on things that you're just curious about and you want to know more about. So definitely hit up the comment section and let me know what you want to learn about. It can be Windows, it could be Mac, it could be iPhone, it could be whatever you want. Just let me know and I will make some videos. So let's just jump right into it. So File Explorer, or some people like to call Windows Explorer. What is File Explorer? So File Explorer is a graphical, how do I explain it? A graphical window that showcases everything that's in your computer folder-wise. So you have your C drive, which is what's on your hard drive. You have your videos folder, you have your pictures folder, you have your music folder, you have your downloads folder. So all these folders and things are stored in what's called File Explorer. It's basically housed in File Explorer or Windows Explorer. So if you just got a brand new laptop, or even if you have a laptop now and you don't know how to access File Explorer, I'm going to show you, and I'll also show you how to get to the subfolders, the videos, the pictures, and the downloads. I'm going to show you how to make shortcuts for those folders so there's an easier way to get to them. So let's first begin by going to the type here to search, right here, bottom left-hand corner. I want you to type in File, F-I-L-E. So right here, it says File Explorer. What I want you to do is right-click it and click on Pin to Taskbar right here, second one down, Pin to Taskbar. So what that did was it made the folder File Explorer, it put it on your taskbar right here. So you're going to click on it, click on File Explorer, and as you can see, this is the File Explorer window. I know I went into some videos about this. I told you, how to access it and where things are. I just didn't go more in depth, so that's what this video is about. So, this is File Explorer. Once you click this folder, File Explorer pops up. Now, you have these options on the left-hand side. You have Quick Access, which is basically just, if you click this arrow next to it, it expands. And then if you click it again, it drops down, all these things. So, you have your desktop here. So if you click your desktop, it shows anything and everything that's on your desktop. If you click Downloads, it'll show the downloads that you may have downloaded, from the internet, all that stuff. So you have your documents. So if you wanted to save, important documents, Word documents, Excel documents, anything important document-wise, this is where you would save them. You have your pictures. Okay, so this is where you save your pictures from the internet, from your phone, from wherever. You don't have to save things in these folders, but that's why Windows provides you these folders. They kind of keep everything organized. But yeah, so you have your pictures folder, you have your videos folder, and so I have OneDrive. So just ignore this for now. But so if you click on this PC, click on this PC, right? So it shows all the folders that we just went through. Okay, and right here is the C drive, which is basically your hard drive that's in your computer. So if you double click the C drive, you have a couple folders here. You have admin, Intel, perf logs, program files x86, users, Windows 10, upgrade. I'm not sure if you have that or not, and then I'm not sure if you have this file either. But so if you go into these files, program files, it shows all the programs that are in your computer. Just ignore that right now. Program files 86, same thing. It shows all the programs that are on your computer. So yeah, that's basically the C drive. If you wanted to go in here, right, and something was acting funny, you wanted to go check it out, you click on program or program files, and just find it and see, you know, what's going on. So you may not have to go into program or program files. In one of my previous videos, I showed you how to uninstall and reinstall uninstall programs. So that's how you clear up space. So go check that video out, but you necessarily don't have to go in here. The only thing I would suggest is if you're on the C drive, so if I click on the C drive right here, and I right click it, and I click on properties, right? I touched on how this circle right here shows you how much hard drive space you have. So the gray is your free space, and the blue is your used space. So depending on where your circle is, how much stuff you have saved, this blue may be more, you know, filling your circle, I guess. But I don't have that much used space. I have all this free space. So yeah, definitely look at this. It's a nice chart to have. If you know things like this, you get confused. You know, it says how much storage is left. If you get confused by the numbers, just look at the pie chart, circle, whatever it is. So, and then network is just network sharing. You shouldn't have to jump into that, but okay. So this is, like I said, this is File Explorer. Now, to access these folders in an easier way, so what you're going to do is you're going to click on one. So don't click on desktop because, I mean, it shows everything you have on your desktop anyway. If you click on like downloads and you hold your mouse in and you drag it to your desktop, it'll make a shortcut. And just keep going down. Do the same thing for documents. Do the same thing for pictures. Do the same thing for videos. And then you can close out of here. So what you have now is the shortcuts to those folders. So if you save things in these folders, you know, documents, videos, pictures, these folders are on your desktop. So all you have to do is, you know, if you turn your laptop on and you want it to get in your downloads folder, double click on downloads, boom, right here your downloads folder. You don't have to click File Explorer anymore. You can just click your shortcut folders. So I can click on pictures, takes me right to the pictures. You know, videos, same concept. And yeah, documents, same thing. So that is how you access File Explorer and what is in File Explorer. And then I just showed you how to take some of those folders and make shortcuts on your desktop. So if you save things to them and you want to just jump into these folders, easy peasy. So hopefully this video has helped you how to get into File Explorer and what is File Explorer. So if it did, give a like, comment down below. Let me know what you want me to what you guys want me to cover. I'm all ears. I'll try to assist the best I can, but please comment down below. I'll record videos. Ask me anything. I'm here to help. But yeah, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next video.